Good afternoon. Today we're going to discuss an advanced feature. This is meant for people that are building assessments. The feature is setting default values in your assessment. To do this, we're going to go ahead and open up one of our assessments. We're going to go with the DPIA module. So let's go ahead and edit that. One of the first things that the module does is it asks whether or not PII is collected. It asks if the name, address, and country is collected, and gender. Maybe we want that to always be true when the assessment begins. So how would we do that? To do that, we would simply set those variables to be true by default. To do that, we would add a script block, and we can go ahead and rename that to be set PII defaults. Okay. Then we can connect. 1 minute. We can connect the start block directly to that block. Now let's go ahead and set some PII defaults. So we have our script window here, and we have PII name, country, and SSN. So let's go with that. Underscore PII underscore name, and let's set that to true. Remember that the checkbox can be true or false. Then let's go ahead and set country to true. And then let's go ahead and set PII I actually forget how it's spelled, so I have to go in here, and it's just SSN. To true. So we're setting those three values to true. Let's go ahead and click OK. Now let's reconnect this script block to collect PII. Let's move that there. Let's go ahead and check the assessment. We have a link error. Let me just reconnect it down here for the demo. Okay, we're all set. So I'm going to save that assessment. Now I'm going to go ahead and run a new instance of that definition with its new defaults. I'm going to run new. And I'm going to use the SIPL risk framework and the SIPL risk defaults. And I'm going to click on OK. OK. The new instance of the DPIA module is running. Now let's go ahead and check out the first task. Alright, the first task in the DPIA module is collection. Now let's go to my answers. And we notice here, name, country, and social security number are by default selected. Now remember, you can put default answers to consent, default answers to anything that you're doing. What happens is some departments have default system names. You can simply add your defaults to the assessment framework for the systems that you're working on, and every time you create a new assessment, it'll have those default values, which the user can change if they want to. Thank you very much. I hope you enjoyed this video on setting default values in your assessment. We look forward to creating more using videos that you will find helpful. Have a great day.